I'd rather sit on his lap than you sit on my lap. Ow!
It doesn't work that way.
I'll sit on his lap with you on my lap, so fuck you.
There's requirements.
What's
On
the
whose
requirement?
lap?
Mine.
No, his, not yours.
Chad.
Mr.
His?
Crocky.
Yeah, why not?
Sam will
Why
crush
are you recording?
No, you won't.
I know you are.
His.
He's farting on my lap!
That was my fucking phone!
Oh, something's like...
Wow.
That, my phone's in my back pocket. She sound important.
I'd rather... Are you taking pictures of
No,
this
she's
right now,
fucking
Nicole?
recording it.
Stop! Don't put this on Facebook.
Hey, Christy.
Yeah!
The famous crackhead look.
Oh, she's got a big tongue.
Hell yeah.
But it's good for sucking dick.
Yup, all day, every day.
Good for eating. It's good for eating pussy too.
You want to suck my
How do I
dick?
eat pussy? Stop!
Kristen, you want to suck my dick?
Hell no, you got a
She's a
girl.
pussy monster.
You're right, it wouldn't fit in your mouth.
Yeah, it's too small, you're right.
It's too big for your mouth.
Get the
How would I
tweezers.
know? I would know. Nicole was you. I would know.
My hand's in the wrong spot! Stop pushing me!
That felt good.
Nicole can tell you how big my cock is. Hi, fuck you.
Later.
Man, they can hear all the cock conversations. Stop.
Please
That was
delete.
just fucking weird, guys. You can't be saying shit like that because it's just fucking weird. Okay? Okay. You good? We're good.
Oh, shut up, Sam.
You know what? You shut up.
Get down!
Shut
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper now!
Nicole!
I told you, him and Bill can do Arnold Schwarzenegger the best. I bet he can look it up right now.
Who can look it up right now?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Look at this
Ow,
face.
ow, earrings!
Look at this face.
You have earrings?
Yeah, I put
like,
them
I
in
want to
there.
rip them out.
I put them in.
Let me get it.
Don't just put them in.
Let me get it. Let me
I
get
want to
it.
rip them out. Where'd they go?
Christy, can you say hi and give me a kiss? Blow me a kiss. Blow a kiss to the camera.
You spitting this?
No.
Are you
Back
sure?
washes.
Oh, by the way, you remember the day that you and me and
Get to
Summer
the
were on the
chopper.
boat? Hey. Remember
Eddie.
the day that you and me and Summer were on the boat?
Eddie,
The one day that you and me and Summer were on the boat?